Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to edit pictures in Stock Gallery app on Oukitel G2. So the Stock Gallery for this device is Google Photos, so let's go there. And now tap on the picture that you would like to edit and then tap on edit here at the bottom. Now you're going to see different sections of editing. Come on, let's load up. Right, maybe I'll just different picture. Alright, different sections of editing, as I said. And after you've done your editing, all you have to do is just tap on save copy in the bottom right corner. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.